case.
We have a paper trail for every comment I've made. Yes or no, doesn't this show bad judgment?
No.
Well,
let him answer the question, too. I mean, you kind of indicated you did something wrong. Let him explain why it wasn't wrong.
It was a yes or no answer.
I want to have him be able to handle that problem.
Maybe it would be helpful if you laid out the accusation, sir.
Well, you purchased stock in an Australian company through private offerings at discounts not available to the public.
They were, if I may, they were available to every single individual that was an investor at the time.
Well, that is not what we learned from company filings. Company filings with the Australia Stock Exchange state that this specific private placement would be made at below market rates. The Treasury Department says it's only offered to sophisticated investors in a non-public manner. We have a paper trail for every one of the statements that I have gone into. And trading in stocks while you sit on two committees, introducing legislation that directly impacts the value of the stocks.
What legislation would that be, Mr. Senator?
We will take you through the various bills, but the reality is this has been cited on a number of occasions.
The reality is that everything that I did was ethical, above board, legal, and transparent. The reason that you know about these things is because we have made that information available in real time as required by the House Ethics Committee. So there isn't anything that you have divulged here that hasn't been public knowledge.
Your stake in Innate is more than 5 times larger than the figure you reported to ethics officials when you became a nominee.
And if you had listened to your committee staff, I believe you would know that our belief is that that was a clerical error at the time that the 278E was filed. We don't know where it happened, whether it was on our end, whether it was on the end of the individuals of OGE. But there was not any malicious intent
Congressman, you also reported it in the questionnaire to the committee, and you had to revise it yesterday because it was wrong.
And the reason for that is because when asked about the value, I thought it meant the value at the time that I purchased the stock, not the value at some nebulous time when we supposedly made a specific
I want to get in one other.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.